Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping chairs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the KIJARO Dual Lock. We chose the KIJARO Dual Lock as the best overall camp chair out of its competitors based on the design, quality, comfort, price, and ease of use. Designed as a folding chair, the dual lock system on the KIJARO Dual Lock allows the chair to lock in place when set up. It won't collapse on you. In addition, its components lock together when folded for easier transportation. It won't open on you. Finally, the fabric across the back and seat panels is flat and stretched tightly, eliminating a slouch-inducing sag that other camp chairs can cause. All this adds up to a solid chair and a reasonable price that looks good and won't let you down. Moving on at number 4, we have the NEMO STARGAZE Reclining Camp Chair. If you've got a little more to spend on a camp chair to last a long time, we love the NEMO STARGAZE Reclining Camp Chair, and it wins our Most Comfortable Camp Chair award. Unlike other reclining or rocking style, it has a sturdy base, fast, intuitive setup, and compact breakdown. Designed as a hammock-style chair, it allows you to rock, recline, and swing, all with a base that feels more secure than other camp chairs we considered. We like this chair so much it made our best gifts for campers gift guide. Even folks who never thought they'd want a reclining camp chair fell in love with the NEMO STARGAZE. Even testers who hate assembling gear would run to have this be the first thing up in camp. It's the ultimate relax and watch the sunset chair that will make you the envy of the campground. At number 3, we have the ALPS Mountaineering Escape Chair. What we liked: integrated footrest is at the right angle, weight limit. What we didn't like: not as durable as other chairs. Lots of moving parts. If you're using your chair often, we think it's worth investing in some features that make it extra comfortable. We liked that the ALPS Mountaineering Escape Chair with footrest because it has an attachable footrest but is still a portable camping chair. At number 2, we have the KELTY Low Loveseat. When you want room for friends, the KELTY Low Loveseat brings camaraderie. This two-seater was one of the most beloved by reviewers as an outdoor loveseat option, and our testers loved it, too. So if you can get your hands on one, they tend to come in super limited stock. It's a buy you won't regret. While the KELTY does weigh in at a whopping 15+ pounds, we promise that it makes up for its weight. It sports 2 insulated cup holders, with room for snacks, adjustable armrest straps to accommodate different heights on either side, a slightly reclined backrest for comfort, a steel frame for significant support, and 42 inches of cushioned and insulated bench seat that supports up to 500 pounds. That's plenty of room for you and your bestie, even your 4-legged besties. And finally, at number 1, we have the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. Of all the heavy-duty camping chairs on the market, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is far and away the most highly praised and highly purchased camp chair out there. Out of the 8 media review sites we looked at, 7 of them gave the King Kong high reviews, and it has 4.75 stars on Amazon. Reviews praised the weight rating, 800 pounds, the sturdy construction, powder-coated steel frame and 600 denier ripstop fabric, and the comfortable design of the King Kong. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong also comes with dual cup holders, 2 storage side pockets, and a large storage pocket on the back.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.